Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff. Today we just got two fresh inventory pieces in and I could not resist the temptation to do a quick video like this. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to compare Labrador Black versus White Diamond. So both are ES trim levels, so we're comparing apples to apples. And we're just gonna see front, side, and rear comparison, how the black, Labrador Black, looks compared to White Diamond. Very often we see that the clients wanna choose between one or the other, and they're just curious to see, you know, how it looks in real life. And with inventory levels being all-time low, now it's very important that, you know, at least you can see them in video how they would look. Or if you have one or the other and you're curious how the other option would look, this is your chance. Plus, on top of it, we also have some accessories, so we can compare side by side how both accessories look on black and white. So we have the hood emblem on both, we have the side moldings on both, and we have the rear bumper protector plate on both. So we'll check out that as well as a bonus. But right now, let's do identical front comparisons and see how they look. And now let's check them out. So like I mentioned before, both are ES trim levels, so we're comparing apples to apples. And now if we look at top, so obviously we can see none of them have the roof rails, right? But this one blends in because it's black, and this one, you know, it stands out a little bit more. And the same thing if we move a little bit lower, mirror caps, right? So we can see that these mirror caps, part of it is body color painted and part of it is plastic, right? So on the white one, and also this part stands out a lot more, and also the A-pillar. So on the white one, you get a lot more this contrast going on the upper part, and actually in all of it a little bit too, right? We can see the black one kind of like, you know, blends in a little bit more. Everything just looks kind of, you know, dark, right? On the white one, we have the roof line right here that stands out. We have the mirror caps, we have the A-pillar that stands out. That will be the biggest difference between the both colors, how they contrast, right? And then same thing for the lower part, right? So we can see that this part here is plastic. It's not body color painted. It's not this silver painted like on the higher trim levels, but it's plastic. So on the black one, it kind of blends in. You just can see that you know, there's the painted part of the bumper and there's the plastic, but from a distance, just kind of like one piece, versus the white one stands out and contrasts, right? Now let's check out the Outlander hood emblems. We did put two different kinds, right? So on this one we put the satin hood emblem, and on this one we put the black. And then let's have a closer look. So this is how the satin looks. So compared to the chrome elements, let's see, chrome is, you know, the way the chrome is super shiny, and the satin is this just, you know, a little bit different kind of shade of chrome, if you will. But this is how the satin Outlander hood emblem will look. I get in comments sometimes, hey, like how would like satin Outlander hood emblem look? And this is your answer. This is how it looks. And then on this one here, we did black, right? So this is the black Outlander hood emblem. It looks very sharp. And then, like, you know, obviously on something like this, you can go satin, you can go chrome or black, whatever your preference is. We went with black because the side moldings, we put black on both as well. Same side moldings we put on both vehicles. So right now we can actually check the side view and see what kind of visual difference the side molding would do. But the front, this is what it is. Both same trim levels, more contrast with the white one, and two kinds of Outlander hood emblems. So definitely leave a comment if you have maybe one or the other, or you prefer different types of hood emblems. Leave a comment in your thoughts. Now let's check out the side view. And here we have the side view. So again, both are same ESs, so we're comparing apples to apples. We just compare the visual looks. And again, same thing on the side view like it was in the front view. You do get a little bit more contrast with the white one because, you know, this part is black and then the mirror cap is black, versus here everything blends in. But what stands out more on the black one is the chrome elements of the vehicle. So we can see this chrome around the windows. You can notice it really good on the black. You can barely notice it on the white one. And also now if we move further down, we can see that this Outlander side molding has a chrome line in it and Outlander lettering, which you can notice a lot on the black, on the Labrador black, but not so much on the white one. Now let's have a closer look at the side molding. This is one of the most popular accessories. So we can see it's body colored matched, and then you have this nice beautiful chrome sideline, and then you have these Outlander letters right here, right? And this one matches really well with this line right here and with these particular wheels. Visually it looks very good. This one, again, that was the reason why we went with a black hood emblem, to match the side moldings and to have this black contrast and black theme, right? Because the black elements look really good together. Tinted windows, you have black here, black there, black on a spoiler, that two-tone contrast, and then we just finish it off with a black side molding, and that's how it looks, right? It looks really, really good. I'm a huge fan of these side moldings, love the design. Outlander hood, Outlander lettering in chrome, and again, chrome matches really well. This around the window part looks very good and sharp. So this is how a side view would look if we would compare Labrador black, white diamond, and identical accessories put on two different colors. Obviously, you'll have the same visual effect if you go, let's say, you know, on different colors, and let's say you put the black on the gray, which I've done in the past videos, right? So something that'll blend in versus stand out. Or if you get a red Outlander and you put body side moldings that's red, obviously it's going to be, you know, it'll blend in versus the contrast. So, but this is the side view. Now let's check out the back, how they look different from the back, and how the bumper protector plate is going to look in each option. And here's the back comparison. So same thing, both same trim levels. So it's interesting to compare apples to apples, right? Because very often, you know, a lot of people take and compare different trim levels and whatnot, and then some elements might be a little bit different, right? But on this one, we just kind of see how the vehicle looks different, right? So this one, you know, on the Outlander, I'd say on the black one, Labrador black, these taillights pop out like, you know, a little bit different way than on the white one. And then if we move further down, again, this is a plastic part versus, you know, body colors, and it's different on the higher trim levels. And here you get that contrast a little bit more. Even these marking lights right here, so they kind of like, you know, blend in a little bit more on the black. They stand out more on the white. Again, if you go for this contrasted looks, white is your best choice. If you need, you know, blended in, all that stuff, then black would be your choice. And now let's have a look at the bumper protector plate. Again, one of the best selling accessories around here. So it's very nice, easy to install, and you put it, it's only comes in chrome at this moment, and it matches really well together with Outlander badge that you get from factory and 3 diamond emblem. And that's how it looks on the black one. So it you know, stands out quite a bit and matches the chrome part. And if we look at the white one, I'd say it's probably standing out a little bit less because, you know, obviously black is gonna have a little bit more contrast, but nevertheless, it looks really good on the white one as well. Same thing matches with your chrome elements that are on the back. So if you have one or the other color, and if you're interested how the how the bumper protector plate is gonna look on your Outlander, this is your answer. So there we go. We just checked out 2 Outlanders, both ES trim levels, so they're base entry trim levels, and we checked out how they look different from one another and how they look with the same accessories. You put same accessories or similar in the Outlander hood emblem case, and you get a different outcome. So everybody can tweak their Outlanders to their likings and be proud of what they got. I really like the black side moldings, by the way, on the white one. So that stands out to me a lot. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked it. See you in next videos.